Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get a shard from Clan War shop or Clan War store, so you can get a new avatar from the shard. So what you need to do is click the clan button at the bottom of your screen and click store at the left of your screen. This is the Iskra kill switch shard. So per shard is 500 clan credit points. Currently I have 350 because I'm collecting this shard. I'm purchasing this shard. Sorry. So what you need to do is playing more clan war. Yes. Currently it's closed, but when in open you have to play more and more to get this point. So after collecting about 5,000 point, 50,000 point, you can get this Iskra. You have to collect, as you can see, this the small detail. There are small text in here. 100 shard to get this Iskra. So you have to play more and more and collect this clan credits and then purchase this epic skin of Iskra. So I already let us see my collection. My Iskra currently is 90. 10 more shard, get 10 shard pieces to craft this Iskra. Let's play more clan war. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and so click text button below and enjoy the game.